we doing to this dresser?
We are going to be painting it.
Go. Get it, get it. Alright, so we ain't getting paint from over here. We getting paint from Walmart. Okay, go to the end where it says lumber. Alright, so we're gonna put this lumber. It's up top.
It's right there.
Yeah, you see lumber with the L? Lumber.
Look, y'all, it's a Corvette.
Corvette,
I'm gonna ask Amir, what are these cars named? I mean, which one is this one? A Corvette.
Alright.
What is this one, Amir? Camaro.
What is that one that you have in your hand?
Lamborghini. Lamborghini.
Alright, come on. I'm setting a dresser up. And I need like the yeah, I know. Let's stay out.
One by one.
I'm gonna stop.
You know what the top.
Yeah.
Hey, we looking.
And y'all, I'm recording the axe.
You know how to record?
Yeah,
It look easy.
yeah, it's easy. But it moves too much.
Yeah.
Stop, stop. You're gonna drop it, stop. You're gonna drop it.
Is it heavy?
Yes, it's heavy. I'm gonna drop it. So now my dad's talking to another person. And yeah.
The wood, the finish will probably have to go for an hour, I think 19. But yeah, I mean, that'd probably be the only place I think would have it in the house.
So he said,
Or if you
it'll
sell
be
cardboard.
so yeah.
That's on our five.
My little brother's just looking like this.
Get
out, bro. Get out the face.
Well, just if I look at the wood 19.
On 19. Alright.
It's on YouTube.
Hmm?
He asked for on YouTube.
Yeah, you got to YouTube.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Bro?
Yeah. You got it. Alright, this aisle 19.
Yeah, I'm racing you.
So y'all up in here racing. So I guess Amari has what is that? Almost $6,000. Oh yeah, right at $6,000. Crashed. You just crashed a $6,000 lawnmower.
Yeah, we know how to run.
Come on. Oh man. How much is this one? Oh man, you crazy. Oh man. Yeah, y'all true. That's $4,000, bro. Hey, but you look good up there.
When Dad said to cut the grass,
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, man. I would love to cut grass on this. How it looks, okay. Oh, it got a screen. Oh, you got your little flat screen, so you can be watching TV. Oh man. So who you gonna watch?
I'm gonna watch Dakota and Lonnie.
Dakota and Lonnie?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna watch JoJo?
Yep. And I'm gonna watch Kai Cenat. Ooh, let me turn it up.
Super Saiyan?
Super Side 2. And Katie the Kid. Yep.
I won. No, the person that I won. Kevin, y'all see who
Yo,
won?
I need a comment who won. Me?
Or
Team Gobble
Or
Team
Mirrors.
Alright, y'all. So this thing was a buzz. So we gonna grid it on up out of here. We hit it out. Alright, y'all. We hit it out. So we got Michael Jackson on the team. Michael Jackson, Tito Jackson, and Michael Jackson with no moonwalk. Come on, there, man.
You know that she thought they be like this.
Yeah. Hell no, y'all can't touch that. They can't touch that. Y'all ain't finna touch that. No car payment.
If you break it,
No car payment. Who broke what? Man, please, y'all broke that. Y'all on your own. So.
Nah, you on your own. That look,
Y'all on y'all own.
that is a sit down and be like,
Dad, can I tell you something? If I buy one of those, you want to put all
What is that? What are you calling? What is that?
in there. Dad, if I give you,
you ready, Amir?
not yet.
I don't feel my seatbelt. What am I saying? Oh my god.
Alright, y'all pray for me.
To love you better than I did. Taking our memories
Mark,
on love
Mark.
and treating it like nothing.
I'm trying to.
You
Taking our memories on love and
I
treating it
hear
like gossip.
That means stop.
Stop it!
It's my love for my grand.
Alright, I guess this old girl can drive a little bit. She made it. She made it. Thank you, Jesus.
Dang.
Thank you, Omar. Alright, y'all. We need silver spray paint. The bling.
I want you.
Yeah, we need some silver spray paint. For like wood. That's cool. You come on.
Video now.
Why? Like,
For wood.
You want like metallic silver?
It's going in her room, so something girlish.
Just grayish.
No, we're
Gray.
not gonna do gray.
I want
Metallic.
to do white, y'all.
Okay, so y'all pick the color. This. You want this one?
Yeah.
Alright, what would be the other choice?
In the camera, it looks like it's
Can I just have regular like
Alright,
metallic
that's the
aluminum?
red. I like that one too.
this one.
Alright. So I guess we'll go with this one.
Just one?
Guys, it looks like it's golden. In the camera, it looks like it's golden, but it's actually.
Let me get
silver.
2. Yeah,
Now we.
I think.
Oh yeah, guys! If y'all subscribe and comment, I will make y'all a bracelet, and I will also
Look.
spell your name.
Look at this one.
This is an
I should do this one to spell your name because it said Olivia. Okay, so I'm gonna spell your name on it. Okay?
Olivia. Alright.
If y'all
Alright, we
subscribe
gotta find
and do
this.
all that, I'm gonna talk to them. If y'all subscribe and like and all that, I will make y'all guys a bracelet and spell your names on it. But you're gonna have to DM me or put it in the comments.
Comments. Ma'am. YouTube.
So y'all,
I should have been recording that.
some lady came up to us and said that
We couldn't record in
couldn't record
Walmart.
in Walmart.
So
And
now
that
we
her
can't record in
manager-
Walmart. Ooh, we got in trouble. Mara got in trouble.
That I got in trouble.
I know. I just said I got in
I
trouble.
thought you said Mari got in trouble.
So which one of these glues, wood glue, do we need?
Gorilla glue. Gorilla glue.
Gorilla glue. That's clear.
That's gorilla glue.
Gorilla
Glue.
No, this one.
Oh yeah, really. Trash.
Let's get this one.
Trash. Hey, this one here clear, but I ain't never had no. What is it, huh?
Gorilla glue. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try this one. Come on.
Gorilla glue.
This ain't no Glorilla.
Gorilla. So,
Alright, so we out of Walmart.
Now we finna go home and spray paint this dresser. and I'm finna
Hey, we
die.
made it out of Walmart.
Oh my God! What is that? Oh,
He got handprints on it. That's fire. That's fire.
oh, get me in a car.
You scared?
Yes.
Bye, Mar. We back from Lowe's, Walmart.
And from getting my
So we got our paint.
And give my mom
Metallic color.
and the gel.
and my gun. It's a drink.
Alright.
And we got the
Gloves.
sandpapers
We got our sanders.
And the
and
gloves.
the gloves.
Alright.
And we got this one.
All right, y'all, here go the end product. Here's the antique dresser given to us from Big Ma. Y'all let us know how we did. Comment down below if we did good or we should trash it. Let us know. Peace.